6 mistakes to avoid in weekly meal prep.
Avoid these common pitfalls for a smoother, more effective meal prep routine. Whether you're new to planning meals or looking to improve your process, being aware of these mistakes can save you time, money, and stress during the week.
1. Not planning a balanced menu.
It's easy to focus on convenience foods or the same dishes every week, but this can lead to nutrient gaps and boredom. Be sure to include a variety of proteins, vegetables, healthy fats, and complex carbs to keep your meals interesting and nutritionally complete.
2. Overprepping or underprepping.
Making too much food can result in waste, while prepping too little means you might run out before the week ends. Estimate realistic portions based on your household's needs and appetite to avoid leftovers or midweek cooking sessions.
3. Ignoring food safety.
Improper storage, cooling, or reheating can lead to spoiled food and increase the risk of illness. Allow meals to cool before refrigerating. Label containers with dates and consume prepped meals within 3 to 5 days for optimal safety and freshness.
4. Underestimating prep time.
Many people overlook how long chopping, cooking, and cleaning can take. Allocate enough time for each step and consider prepping some ingredients in advance. Using tools like timers or batch cooking can also help streamline your routine.
5. Forgetting to use your prepped food.
Meal prepping is only effective if you actually eat what you prepare. Make your prepped meals visible in the fridge, keep an updated meal schedule, and avoid impulse takeout. This ensures your efforts don't go to waste.
6. Not adapting your plan.
Sticking rigidly to one method or menu can cause burnout. Regularly reassess your meals for taste, convenience, and nutrition. Adjust recipes and portion sizes as your schedule or preferences change to keep meal prep enjoyable and sustainable.
Make meal prep work for you.
By steering clear of these 6 mistakes, you'll set yourself up for a more efficient and rewarding weekly meal prep. Take time to plan, stay flexible, and prioritize food safety for meals that are healthy, tasty, and ready when you need them.